Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize data level of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to customize data level of this chart. Click the chart. Then go to the chart element option and check mark on the data levels. Then click the more option and go to more option. Then customize the data level inside base, otherwise inside int, otherwise center. You can use the value. Now we can see here we customize this data level in this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.